Good morning everyone. Welcome back again to the computer class, and this video is in reference to your chapter 15 of the book, that is Interface Python with MySQL. Today we'll see how you can download Python MySQL connector, which is used to connect your Python program to a MySQL database so that you can connect both of them together and make data storing easier. Before installing Python MySQL connector, you must ensure certain things. First, Python should be installed on your computer, and you should be connected to internet. And second is, Python should be on system's path. What do I mean by system's path? How you can check whether Python is on the system's path or not? First you need to press Windows key and E, and it will open this PC for you. Or you can directly go to Start and type this PC and open it. So after that, you need to just click on C drive over the side pane here, or you can directly click from here. Now you will need to know what is the path of Python that you have installed, where you have installed Python actually on your computer. So if you have done an administrator install, that is, if you have installed Python for all users, then your Python folder will appear in the program files x86 folder. So as you can see here, there is no folder named Python here in the program files x86, and it is not in the program files, the simple program files folder also. So it is nowhere in both of these. You first of all check in both of these, and if you find it somewhere, for example, let's say I found this Python folder. However, this is not actually Python folder, but we are just going for a demo. So as you can see, I have actually made this like my Python folder. It is not actually. So now you what need to do is to select all of this path here. As you can see, you just click on this path manager. As you can see, you are getting a path here. You click on it and you select all of it, and then you right click and select copy, and it would be just copied to your clipboard. So if you do not find program files x86 and program files folder in both of these, you do not find your Python path you have installed for only one user. So you click on users after coming back to drive C, and then click on your username, and then go to app data, then click on local, then go down here and choose programs, and here you can see a Python folder. Okay, and here inside, if you go, it shows Python 3832. So Python is installed in this folder only. Okay, so as you can see, this is a bit long path, so I copy it like earlier to my clipboard, which would be beneficial for me later. Now you go back to this PC home by just clicking over this PC icon button over here on the side pane, here on the blank space, and choose properties. So it is gonna open this control panel screen for you, and here at the side you will see advanced system settings. You need to click on it. It may ask you for user account control, that is, it will ask you something that do you want this program to make changes to your computer. Then you click on yes, and it is gonna open this dialog box. Now here you can see in the advanced tab here you have an option called environment variables. Okay, so under the system variables you have this thing called path. Here you need to select this and click on edit. And now if you find anything that shows your Python that shows where your Python folder was installed. For example, my Python folder was installed in this particular directory: C user, Swati Arora, app data, local programs, Python 3832, and I cannot actually find anything in this environment variables. You cannot see that path here. So if you see, then you don't need to do anything. Just click on cancel, and you are ready. Now if you do not see, then without changing anything, if you change anything, it will do something to your system registry. So as you can see here, it is a new button. So just click on this new button, and now right click here and paste that Python path here, and then you will see that this Python path here is added. Okay, so now you just click on OK, then OK again, then OK again. So after that you need to close all the windows. Okay, and refresh your system several times. Around 3 to 4 times should be fine. And now what you need to do is to hit the start key and type cmd here, and you will see this command prompt here. Just as you can see here, it is showing an option to run as administrator. If it is not showing an option, you just right click here and you will find option for run as administrator. So you click on it, and it has asked me for a certain user account control. Okay, now what you need to do is that your Python path that you just made, you just added to your system path environment variables should have been on your clipboard. So this is totally optional. If you want to do it, then you can type cd then space and then paste the path, and then it is gonna take you to that path. Or you can simply do it, or you can simply just do it. Now we are gonna just write one command that is gonna install MySQL Python connector on your computer. It is not any graphical installation. You just write here pip install MySQL. Please write these commands carefully, as the command prompt is case sensitive. That is, it differentiate between uppercase and lowercase. So do not confuse cases. Type all this without pressing the caps lock key. Now after typing MySQL, give a hyphen, then type connector, and then again hyphen, and then type Python. Everything should be in lowercase. Then you simply hit enter, and as I told you, you should have connected to your internet. then you hit enter, and it is gonna take some time to install Python MySQL connector. It depends whether you have already installed the connector on your system or not. As you can see, if you have not already installed this MySQL Python connector, it will show you certain screen like this. If you have already installed, then it will show you requirement already satisfied. So as you can see here, it is showing here successfully installed MySQL Python connector 8.0.2.0. So you have successfully installed it. So that's how to install Python MySQL connector on your system. Thank